3 countries, millions of fans, and absolute chaos at the baggage claim. The 2026 World Cup spans the US, Canada, and Mexico. If you check a bag, you've already lost. Here is your ultimate one-bag carry-on survival guide. First, the climate clash. You're flying from the heat of Mexico City to the cool breezes of Vancouver. The solution? Quick dry, moisture-wicking layers. They're not just versatile, but also a space saver when rolled. Leave the heavy cotton at home. Roll your clothes to save space and avoid wrinkles. Next, power. You'll be crossing borders constantly. It's essential to pack a high-quality universal power adapter with multiple USB-C ports. These little lifesavers keep your electronic devices juiced up and ready for action. Keep your phone alive for digital tickets and stadium selfies. Finally, security. World Cup stadiums will be packed to the absolute limit. A slim, slash-proof, anti-theft sling bag is a must. It's your fortress for your passport and cash in the sea of fans. Remember, pickpockets love big events. Don't make it easy for them. Skip the carousel, walk off the plane, and head straight to the match. You're now armed with the ultimate one-bag carry-on survival guide for the 2026 World Cup. With your quick-dry clothes, universal adapter, and anti-theft sling bag, you're set to tackle the climate, power up, and stay secure. This is your ticket to enjoy the beautiful game across 3 countries without the hassle. And remember, the world is your playground. Travel smart, pack light, and enjoy the beautiful game. Subscribe to TrendXverse Go for more global travel hacks.